Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing a mix of hair care and lifestyle content. I started a preview of the hair I was working on, then I moved on to the final look, and I will show you how I bake a cake and I cook a special meal for my husband's birthday. So guys, all you need to do is to sit down, relax, and then I'll be right back and dive into this matter.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Welcome back guys. So I'm going to be braiding my daughter's hair this moment. So I applied my homemade leave-in conditioner to her hair just to moisturize it and make it easier to work with. This hairstyle I was doing is a typical sew-in with active curly hair. So I braided her hair down before I started doing the sew-in. If you have watched this video up to this moment, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Tell me what to think about this in the comment section. Also, don't forget to follow me at Ririwadinobi on Facebook and Instagram. Also at Rita on TikTok. Thank you guys. About my advert, please guys, don't forget to not skip that advert. Please watch the advert to the end, guys. Thank you so much as you do so. So guys, this is the outcome of the hair. I don't know why she's doing her neck like this, but this is the outcome of the hair. I just did a quick style that she could just rock maybe like a week or 2 weeks. So I just did a simple hairstyle just to rush because I've got a lot on my plate. I have a lot of things to do, so I just decided to do something like this for her. She was actually happy. Okay, she gave you a kiss. So now moving on guys, I'm just going to change gears to baking right now. So once that hair was done, I just shifted the gears to baking. I gathered all my ingredients: butter, sugar, flour, milk, powder, salt, baking powder, and flavoring. So I started by, you know, sieving out my flour first. Then I added all the dry ingredients: the salt, the baking powder, baking soda, and the corn flour. Added every dry ingredient together. Then I went ahead to add my sugar into my butter. I love using this sugar. It's unrefined, so this is the sugar we use. So I measured like a cup of it, then that's enough for us. We don't eat too much sugar. So I decided, I just started mixing everything up, and after that I went into break my egg. I think I used about 4 eggs. So I just put each egg I break, I just mix it together. So I don't have buttermilk in the house. This is the method I learned to be. If you don't have buttermilk, you can use this instead. Milk and lemon, it will start forming a curd. So that's what I use. So my cake batter is ready. So I just transferred everything inside the baking tin, then preheated my oven already. So I just popped this into the oven to let it cook for about, I think, 56 minutes. Yeah. So, and that is that. Why that is doing baking, I went ahead to just do the dishes because we keep on. If you dare pie plate down, you know how it is. You get tired that, oh, this plate is too much. I have a dishwasher, but I'm used to washing my plates in the sink. I don't know if any other person love washing the plate in the sink. I just love storing water like this and wash my plate. Besides, sometimes when you put the plate in the dishwasher, it doesn't wash out clean. As in, it's not everything that comes out clean. I'm telling you, I've experienced it like a couple of times, so I prefer to do this. Then I went ahead to just wipe away the excess water from the sink, clean the sink. After that, I went to start getting preparing for a special soup for my husband because that day was his birthday. So I had to wash the fish and the pomo and shaki because I just used those three things to just cook the pepper soup for him. And after washing them properly, what I did was to add them into a pot and then season them up. So guys, in my seasoning, I just added onions, some thyme, all-purpose seasoning, and then some pepper, and then salt. This pepper hot, hot, and I added my salt to taste. Then I went in with my 3 cubes of Maggi cubes, because this stuff is not much. It's not like a full pot. It's just a small, small pepper soup I'm just making. So I'm not making a large quantity. So transfer to the stove, cover it. While that was with cooking, I went ahead to check my cake, and voila, my cake is ready. So I also checked my pot again. The pot is already, just to check the meat if it's still, if it has softened. Now I saw it softened, and I added my fish so that my fish can also, the flavor can also be in the soup, if I'm making sense. So I just added crayfish, and then I covered it up again. I think I added, yeah, this is when I added the pepper soup spice. I added the pepper soup spice and then cover my pot for it to cook. This pepper soup spice has a strong smell, like a strong pepper soup spice. It really have that flavor, that smell, that when you're cooking it, anybody that is passing will know that you're cooking pepper soup. That's what this aroma is giving. So I have to detach this thing from my cake. So I remove the baking paper so that I can turn the cake over on a rack for it to cool. So now I went ahead to check my soup to see if it's ready. The soup is actually ready, so just giving it a little stir, and then that is it. So now I'm dishing it out for my odogu to eat. My odogu is waiting for this meal. He's waiting for a special pepper soup. I told him I will make a pepper soup for him, so I have done that. Apart from that, after doing this, I was so tired after everything. From hair to making of baking to cooking to washing. Sisters, and some brothers that are watching, it's not easy. So this is how it's looking. So I also added a sprinkle of utazi. I don't know the name in English, but this is utazi. It has this bitter taste. So it also give the bitter leaf, that the pepper soup, that flavor of, and also that bitter, a little bit bitter taste in it. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and tell me what to think about this my vlog, and then share to family and friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. And before I go, I serve this with some couple of yam. Then my cake, this is how my cake is looking. I removed the top layer, and I didn't actually, I kind of covered it with some icing sugar, but well, my icing sugar, some get a CB. Anyway, bye guys.